silence, I hear my name, a whisper calling through the flame. Lost in shadows, but now I see a light that's guiding me to be free. I've walked through the fire, felt the cold, but now I stand unbreakable, bold. Every step a beat of my heart, a rhythm that won't fall apart. Like a spark in the dark, I ignite a beacon of hope in the night. With wings of sound, I take my flight. Through the echoes, I rise pure and bright. I'm more than the pain, more than the fall, a force of nature standing tall. I rise through the storm, through the skies. A journey etched in every scar, a story written in the stars. The pulse of dreams beneath my skin, a new beginning, let it begin. I've walked through the fire, felt the cold, but now I stand unbreakable, bold. Every step a beat of my heart, a rhythm that won't fall apart. Like a spark in the dark, I ignite a beacon of hope in the night. With wings of sound, I take my flight. Through the echoes, I rise pure and bright. I'm more than the pain, more than the fall, a force of nature standing tall. Underneath the stars, I find my way, a symphony in the night, leading me astray. With every note, a dream reborn. Through the silence, I transform. Like a